Welcome to the PJO Insurance Brokerage Podcast. We cover different topics on business insurance in order to help you choose the appropriate coverage. We believe that being properly insured is just good business sense, and our experienced brokers will help design an insurance program specifically for your company's needs. At PJO Insurance Brokerage, we put our clients' needs first and foremost.
In this episode of our podcast, we're diving deep into the complexities of errors and omissions insurance, highlighting its critical role in Arizona's business landscape. If your business is in one of the professional fields as diverse as accounting, architecture, attorney, broker, consulting, real estate broker, or one of the numerous fields that pertain to a professional nature, having an Arizona errors and omissions insurance policy, also sometimes known as professional liability insurance coverage, is a very valuable part in protecting your Arizona business should a claim be filed against it. First, let's review the characteristics of an errors and omissions policy in Arizona. Errors and omissions insurance is a type of coverage designed to protect professionals and their businesses against claims of negligence or inadequate work. In Arizona, as in other states, this insurance is particularly important for professionals who provide services or advice. The key points about errors and omissions insurance in Arizona include the following: protection against claims. This type of insurance helps cover legal fees, settlements, and court costs if a professional is sued for making mistakes or failing to perform as promised in their professional services. Requirement for certain professions. Some professions may be required to have errors and omissions insurance either by law, regulatory bodies, or as a condition of engagement by clients. For instance, real estate brokers in Arizona must maintain this type of policy. Coverage. The exact coverage details can vary depending on the policy. Generally, it does not cover non-performance due to financial insolvency, fraudulent acts, or intentional wrongdoing. Cost. The cost of errors and omissions insurance in Arizona can vary widely based on the profession, the level of risk involved, the amount of coverage desired, and the claims history of the professional or business. And customization. It's crucial for professionals to work with an insurance provider that understands the specific risks associated with their field to ensure that their errors and omissions insurance policy is tailored appropriately. Errors and omissions insurance is an essential part of risk management strategies for professionals in Arizona, helping them protect against potential financial losses arising from claims related to errors or omissions in their work. Now, let's understand the benefits of obtaining errors and omissions insurance in Phoenix, Arizona. By acquiring a Phoenix errors and omissions insurance policy, you are taking the first step to protect your company and employees against claims made by your clients for alleged negligent actions or inadequate work. Both court costs and any potential settlements may be covered by an errors and omissions insurance policy, up to the limit specified on your Arizona business insurance policy. It also serves as a critical component of a comprehensive risk management strategy. The coverage helps businesses manage and mitigate risks associated with errors, omissions, and negligence in the services they provide. Holding errors and omissions insurance can enhance a business's credibility with clients. Clients feel more secure knowing that there's financial backing even if something goes wrong. This can be a competitive advantage in industries where trust is crucial. In the world in which we currently conduct business, most business owners will tell you that any accusation of negligence or the failure to perform your company's professional services are things that any professional services company can be sued for, even if it is just an allegation. Assuming that later on these accusations are found to be completely untrue, what do you think the potential legal bills will be just defending your company? An Arizona professional liability policy is designed to cover potential damages and defense costs associated with liability claims, which can sometimes reach thousands of dollars. Remember, almost every business that provides a service for a fee will have some errors and omissions exposure, and thus is vulnerable to claims and lawsuits alleging negligence, errors, or omissions. That's why we strongly recommend securing errors and omissions insurance to safeguard your company from unforeseen allegations that could jeopardize your financial stability and future prospects. In your business plan, have you considered just what the consequences would be if the service your business provided is not performed correctly? Or if, in the agreed time frame, it ends up costing your client a monetary loss and in some way harms their business reputation? Realistically, errors are inevitable in business. Even if your business has implemented every safeguard you could think of, mistakes happen to the best of people, and one thing for sure is that mistakes can happen at one time or another. Companies that should consider a Tempe errors and omissions liability policy are advertising companies and media companies, wedding or party planners, and web design or hosting companies, to name just a few of the hundreds that should consider this type of coverage. If you would like to explore how having an errors and omissions professional liability policy can help your Arizona company, please contact the experienced brokers at PJO Insurance Brokerage today. Call us at 480-680-9951 or visit us online at pjobrokerage.com.
Thank you for listening to the PGO Insurance Brokerage podcast. Our brokers have over 60 years of combined insurance experience, and we are committed to performing above the rest. If you would like to experience what it's like to work with business insurance professionals committed to superior customer service, please call PJO Insurance Brokerage to set up an appointment and review your company's specific insurance needs.